Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and today you guys I will be sharing with you a fairy garden tablescape by way of a tea party. Now this is not the all-out fancy tea party with all the elaborate things, but I just wanted to share with you first of all this beautiful and amazing backdrop that I am using as a table covering. But this is a part of a collaboration that is hosted by Grandma Sandy, who is the queen of fairy gardens, and she's got some amazing co-hosts. And I will start as Glamour Ellen, Decorating Aunt's Place, Lady Cinnamon, Leenys World, and myself, Gigi Faison. We are going to share with you guys our take on a fairy garden, and we've invited other guests to participate, so we hope you will enjoy and pick up many great ideas from this collaboration. Okay, here in the center I am using this cupcake holder to create my centerpiece. Now I did not want to cover up my little fairy angel because she was so adorable, absolutely gorgeous underneath here. Part of it you can see, but I thought this would be the perfect place, being that I am using this cupcake holder with these very elegant and very delicious looking cupcakes, but they are faux. I ordered them from Amazon. But with this table covering here, perfect for a tea party. Yes, you guys, we are having a tea party on this very beautiful table covering, which is a backdrop. Now with this backdrop here, I had to purchase, but this next backdrop is one that I have in my backyard at all times, and it provides the best shade. I love this tree, you guys. So continue to watch and continue to enjoy what I will be sharing with you, as I will also share with you a fairy garden that I created, which is my very first one ever, but I have been trained by the best, and that is Grandma Sandy. So I hope you have enjoyed my tablescape for my tea party. I know that I was missing some of the essential pieces such as the flatware and the stemware, but I think we can work with eating cupcakes and drinking coffee or tea with what we have. Also, next up you will get the view of my fairy garden. And again, I'm going to say it again, it's my very first fairy garden, because I am excited about it. I think I did a very good job, but what I will share with you will be the evening version, and then I will share with you a night view as well as an early morning view. So you guys don't want to miss out on what's coming next, so please stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this video. So here are the place settings, which is the teacup, the saucer, as well as the dessert plate. And I thought this would be perfect enough for the cupcakes that we are partaking. But I will be remiss if I don't mention this backdrop table covering again. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And if I didn't mention, I purchased it from Amazon. And if you will see my little fairy angel, so adorable. The color of the florals on this, gorgeous. So I thought it was perfect for this, which is the reason that I purchased. Look at that angel, isn't that beautiful? I did hate to cover it up, but nevertheless, I think all is working very well. So you guys, my table doesn't have all of the bells and whistles, such as the flatware and the stemware, but I think this centerpiece with these cupcakes, the butterfly picks, the greenery, everything is just working so well together. I would be pleased to come over and have a seat and have a cup of tea and have a cupcake. Um, yeah, I think it's really, really cute, and I hope you guys will find it very interesting. Let me know in the comment section what you do think of how I have created this. And next, I will bring you over to share with you my fairy garden, which is the very first one, if I shall say again, my very first fairy garden. And I have been taught by the best, the master, Grandma Sandy. She has taught me everything I know about creating a fairy garden. Now, I hope I have done her proud. I would never want to disappoint or to embarrass, so I did the best that I could, and that's all that I can do. So you guys let me know what you think of my fairy garden. So you guys, this is the evening view, as this is when I've created it in the evening. I will also share with you a night view and then an early morning view of my fairy garden. So continue to watch as I continue to share with you my creation of my fairy garden tablescape, as well as my fairy garden. So guys, if you are new to my channel, let me say I welcome you here. And if you have enjoyed what you have seen thus far, I welcome you to be a part of my family. It's so easy. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and you'll be notified of each and every upload that is made here. And for those of you that continue to support and show love, I thank you guys so very much. It is so appreciated, and I think I can speak for the host as well as the co-host. We appreciate you guys so much. We could not do what we do if it's not for you. So we thank you. Leave us comments in the comment sections and let us know what you think of what we have shared with you all today. And again, a special thanks to Grandma Sandy for hosting this collaboration. Be blessed. A special thanks to the co-host as allowing me to partner with you guys. And for those of you that have showed us love, thanks, thanks, thanks. This is how I created my fairy garden. I am using this tin tub that I purchased a couple years ago from Target, and I've just been using it like when we have gatherings. I would use it to hold like maybe the ice or the drinks. And I've added in some of this colorful moss because I wanted it to be very pretty and bright. I have my little pathway here for my little miniature gnomes to travel back and forth. I have a little Ferris wheel here for the fun activities. Beautiful greenery with the fern and the succulents of the bright colors. And then over here I have this little sign that I picked up, I think from the Family Dollar. It is a welcome sign with the little birds here. Also in here I have a seashell that I've actually picked up from the ocean. This is just one I had placed on my back porch. Little ice cream stand, more succulents, very bright and colorful. And then look at the beauty sitting here all alone. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. So you guys, this is my first attempt of making a fairy garden, and I've had lots of training from Grandma Sandy, so thank you, Grandma Sandy. So let's not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I don't mind at all, and neither does my host or co-host, as well as the participants. Check out that playlist link and follow it through. You're going to get some amazing content. Be blessed.